Thus, Kunwar Viyogi, due to his grounding in Dogri, is successfully able to import the form in Dogri language. Though he experiments with the rhyme scheme, he is largely able to justify the structure and encapsulate his imagination in the concise form of 14 languages. As Sandeepji said, he even expanded the form to include pen portraits, tributes and acknowledgements to various literary doyens of Dogri, the prominent being Professor Ramnath Shastri, Ved Rahe ji, Narendra Khajuria ji. I think his list is more comprehensive. And I have just written one quotation in which he acknowledges his debt to Professor Ramnath Shastri, who actually was the motivation. He was someone who motivated him to incessantly pursue his muse despite his postings at various places. So acknowledging that, he says, "O शपथ पूरी कीती है मैं रहिए बखले शहरे च ओ शपथ पूरी कीती है मैं रहिए बखले शहरे च ते लई अज आया मैं नतीजा तुंदे पैरे च." Prominent contribution that he made to the genre of Dogri poetry was his long poem Kar, Ghar or Home, for which he was awarded the prestigious Sahitya Academy Award in 1980. It is one of the few poems in any language that draws upon the connotation of a single word, home, and elaborates its meaning metaphorically to convey it in its entirety. Home, seemingly a commonplace word with nothing exceptional or unique about it. Some place that simply is there for everyone, and yet the poetic genius of Kunwar Viyogi transforms this everyday commonplace reality into a profound truth of every being. What is home? What do you understand by it? If anyone is asked this question, the first image that comes to a casual reader is that of a house with a family in it. But as the poet aptly demonstrates, that home is more than just a sum of walls of a house or the members in it. It is built of passions, emotions, ideas, hopes, blessings, all that is transcendental, not of this earth, yet very much of this earth. This negotiation of an apparent duality that ultimately reveals itself to be a unity in the course of poem makes it a reading that reaches out to its readers at multiple levels. As he says, and this is often quoted, but I am simply in love with these poems, "Ghar nahi hunda chhat te kanda, ghar nahi hunda chhat te kanda, na dhiyan puttar, ghar nahi hunda char diwari, na rishte mittar, ghar hunda hai preet tarana, irkhe da surtal, nahi te shada makan khwanda, nahi khwanda ghar." And for my students, home is not the roof or the walls, nor daughter nor son. Neither is it the mortar brick, nor the friends you won. An eternal music of love and melody of hearts it is. Else a house do we call it, and not a home. What is a poet? Asks Wordsworth, and very succinctly replies, he is a man speaking to men. This aptly sums up Kunwar Viyogi as a poet who was sensitive to his milieu and his culture. He was an objective observer who acknowledged the good and voiced the bad equivocally.